Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ke company United India Insurance Corporation Limited hapok ke jelam jangka regional manager ke kong Wansila Kharkongor rengkat ke kanhon jangka ni company henne kasni ke nyo terek uyayong kala kene kiti bani ajing rap ya ke wai ni skol kabaran hakani ke nomba Shillong. Kani ke skol ke balai ajing rap nakani ke company kedai ke Saint Jantia Morning Secondary School kabaran hapok Kuala Pati Shillong. Bat kini ke company kelas senyang ya kini ke skol daki core computer kipla kit kot skol bat kiwe dek jingnon kam jangan ke skol. Hakani ke sengi nak kalang ke skol lai dan langru ndu ke principal kino hikai bat la pediang sobha daki kena skol.
Kini ketika corporate social responsibility hakaba ka government kala ai instruction yang ibarat ko ki public sectors, ki private sectors ban le nak bentai ki panta hanta ka wei nak ki responsibilities biki ai ketika village adoption okay bagi adopt biki village nile gi arab biki banshna footpaths hanta ban ai ki water tanks hanta gi construct part of ketika Swachh Bharat gi ai ketika toilets and all ngi educate ki riru habangi like kumtu ni kamtam kini ki village for village adoption ngi ai kat yaki ki lectures kumnu ban pinti ni jengkot jong kasnong katha de kani kan phang kani ka school menta bangi ai kani ka school kadi one of the activities bangi kadi ka school adoption we call it in our insurance terms we call it ka school adoption they haba ni one kani ka gilayo order ba especially the head office jangi na Chennai ke United India ka stress on the development jong kadi ka northeast they haba ni tip ta ngala contact ke ila watching tip tanu ka school tingi one kani ka school minta minta lah macam snam you want pay the school bang ila langsung satisfied ba ni kuat banirap di ila contact head office you go ahead banirap di mentai kini ke school mentai ni ram di ayaki bila ayaki kini ki Godrej and then kini ki exercise books nang by bopri kini ke balong underprivileged kin light bantir ki got kislah kita ipung bagi got kislah ki rementa tingi ay itu hantangi ay ba kini ki laboratory equipment rungi ay but mo pilai imentan gi ay ko wika computer with all the accessories kenang bagi kena ila ban learn ni ketika computers ti ngiwan tangila keman ha nomor bangila banira ko banga omne bangila banira bi kena i belong underprivileged